Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of StormX coin. What's the price change goes in StormX? A lot of people ask me that what's the next target of StormX coin in the last month friends, in the April. So in this video I will show you the next target of StormX coin, what's going in StormX coin at this time. So before starting this interesting video, if you're new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates about currency markets. So friends, as you can see here, the last one day price predictions of the StormX, as you can see here, the last one day price predictions. First of all, we look the change occur in the StormX. Positive 0.68% change occur in the StormX in the last one day, and the high price of StormX is about $0.071122 USD dollar is the high price of StormX in the previous last one day period. Now friends, it's time to decide that's what's the next occurs in the StormX coins. If we look the graph of the StormX coins, so as you can see here, and the previous day they take a jump, and now they take a jump. But if we look the last 1 hour, last 2 hour price predictions, so last 2 hours they fast down. Now it's time to detect what's going in the next. As you can see here, then the graph, let's check it out. The graph, as you can see, it's very simple for all of you. If you look the graph analysis, as you can see here, at this time they fast down, and if you look the current status of the StormX coin at this time, as you can see here at this time, so now again they start jumping upward. As you can see here, now they again start jumping upward. So it is clear for all of you that the jumping of the StormX starts now. So please hold your StormX coin with the last half this month. If we look the average change token in StormX coin in the last one day, so the every change is in positive. So please hold your StormX coin with the last half this month. The average change is become a very high positive, and the price is also. Now let's see the current status of the StormX coin. What's the price change goes at this time in StormX coin? As I told you that now currently at this time the jumping period of the StormX coin starts now. That is why my suggestion for you to please hold it. So what's your opinion about StormX coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.